What if I told you some of the things you use every day came from outer space? Yes, you heard it right. From the mobile phone in your pocket to the car you drive, the origins of some of the materials they're made from are not as terrestrial as you might think. They're celestial, born out of the vast, infinite expanse of space. Think about it. It's a typical day. You're sipping your morning coffee, tapping away on your laptop, unaware that what you're holding, what you're using, has a connection to the stars. It's not science fiction, it's science fact. The silicon in your computer chips, the precious metals in your jewelry, even the iron in your car, all have a mysterious interstellar origin. Since the earliest days of space exploration, humans have been studying and collecting these space materials. Astronauts have ventured into the great unknown, braved the inhospitable environment of space, and returned with lunar rocks, asteroid fragments, and cosmic dust. These extraterrestrial souvenirs weren't just for show, they held the keys to unlocking the secrets of our universe. But it's not just about what we've brought back. It's also about what we've discovered. Space exploration has led to the detection of rare and valuable elements, like helium-3, a potential source of clean, sustainable energy, and platinum group metals, which are vital in various industries, from electronics to medicine. And let's not forget the intangible benefits. The quest for space materials has fueled scientific progress, technological innovation, and even inspired countless works of art and literature. The impact of space exploration on our everyday lives is profound, more than we often realize. So, let's dive into the history of space exploration and see how it has shaped our lives. From the first humans who dared to dream of reaching the stars to the cutting-edge missions of today, let's explore the fascinating journey of humanity's quest for space materials and the extraordinary impact they've had on our world. The space race in the mid-20th century was the starting point of our quest for cosmic materials. As nations vied for dominance in this new frontier, they unknowingly sparked a revolution that would change our understanding of the universe and our place within it. It all began with the Soviet Union's launch of Sputnik in 1957. This tiny satellite, no larger than a beach ball, marked a pivotal moment in human history. For the first time, we had sent an object into space, breaking free from the gravitational bonds of our home planet. But Sputnik was just the beginning. This first venture beyond our atmosphere ignited a curiosity and determination that would not be quenched. The space race was on, and the next significant milestone was the Moon, a celestial body that had captivated the human imagination for millennia. The Apollo missions, led by NASA, were the answer to this call. These daring voyages took humans to the Moon and back, but they brought back more than just astronauts. They carried samples of lunar soil and rocks, the first materials from another world to be studied on Earth. These samples were a treasure trove of information. They helped scientists learn more about the Moon's composition and history, sparking new theories and challenging old ones. They also triggered a new era of scientific discovery and technological advancement. But perhaps most importantly, these lunar samples symbolized something more profound. They represented our ability to reach out into the cosmos, to touch another world, and to bring a part of it back home. They were a testament to human ingenuity, courage, and the insatiable desire to explore and understand the universe. These initial explorations were just the tip of the iceberg in the quest for space materials. They laid the groundwork for future missions, setting the stage for a journey that would take us further into space than we ever thought possible. The lunar expeditions of the Apollo missions yielded far more than just moon rocks. Indeed, the Moon has been a generous giver, bestowing upon us a wealth of materials that have significantly advanced our understanding of the universe and paved the way for technological leaps. One of the most significant materials brought back from the Moon is lunar regolith. This fine, powdery substance, which covers the Moon's surface like a dusty blanket, has provided critical insights into our Moon's geological history. The lunar regolith is like a time capsule, preserving eons of lunar history and cosmic impacts in its grains. By studying this precious material, scientists have been able to determine the Moon's age, investigate its volcanic activity, and understand the processes that have shaped its surface over billions of years. The Moon has also given us helium-3, a rare isotope not found in abundance on Earth. This lunar gift has the potential to fuel clean nuclear fusion power, offering a solution to our energy needs that could revolutionize the way we power our world. Though we are yet to harness this potential fully, the promise it holds is a testament to the Moon's invaluable contributions. Then there are the moon rocks themselves, each one a scientific marvel. From basalts that tell tales of volcanic activity to anorthosites that offer clues about the Moon's early crust, these rocks have reshaped our understanding of lunar geology. They've allowed us to peek into the Moon's past, revealing a dynamic and complex history that parallels, and yet is so distinct from, our own Earth's geological narrative. The lunar expeditions also brought back tiny glass beads formed from lunar volcanic eruptions. These beads have helped us understand the Moon's internal structure and the intense heat and pressure conditions that existed during these eruptions. In essence, the materials brought back from the Moon have not only expanded our knowledge, but also opened up new realms of scientific research and technological possibilities. They've shown us that the Moon, often seen as a silent and barren satellite, has much to tell. But the Moon was not the only celestial body we've managed to explore. Our curiosity didn't stop at the Moon. We ventured further into the cosmos. The vast expanse of space inspired us to push beyond our lunar neighbor, to aim for Mars and other celestial bodies, to asteroids and comets that hold secrets of our universe. Mars, the red planet, has been a focal point of our curiosity. Robots like the Mars rovers have been our eyes and hands on the Martian surface, digging into its soil, taking measurements, and sending back valuable data. These missions have allowed us to collect Martian soil, a treasure trove of information. This soil, or regolith as it's technically called, is a window into the planet's past, revealing clues about its geological history, its climate, and the potential it may have once held for life. Asteroids too have been a target of our space missions. These rocky remnants from the early solar system are like time capsules, holding information about the conditions that led to the formation of planets and the onset of life. Our missions to asteroids have returned with samples, giving us first-hand access to these cosmic fossils. But it's not just rocks and dust we've gathered. From comets, those icy wanderers of the outer solar system, we've retrieved something absolutely vital: water ice. Yes, you heard right. Comets are rich in water ice, a resource that could prove critical in our future space endeavors. Imagine using this water to sustain life on a space station, or breaking it down into hydrogen and oxygen, the basic ingredients of rocket fuel. These missions have not only brought back physical materials, but also invaluable data. Data that has expanded our knowledge of the universe, challenged our assumptions, and sparked new questions. It's not just about the tangible things we can hold in our hands, but also the intangible wealth of knowledge that we gain. The understanding we acquire, the hypotheses we form, and the answers we find. These are the real treasures we've gleaned from our journeys beyond the Moon. The materials from space have had a profound impact on our lives on Earth. Imagine life without advanced technology, without the marvels of science and research that we take for granted. It's hard, isn't it? Yet many of the advancements we enjoy today owe their existence to the materials that have journeyed from the furthest reaches of the cosmos to our humble planet. Take, for instance, the world of technology. The microchips that power our smartphones and computers were made possible because of a material known as silicon, which was first discovered in meteorites. These celestial objects, falling from the sky, brought with them a substance that would power the technology revolution and change our lives forever. In the realm of science, space materials have provided invaluable insights. Lunar rocks returned by Apollo missions have reshaped our understanding of the Moon's formation, and in turn, the origins of our own planet. The isotopes found in these rocks, starkly different from those on Earth, have given us a timeline of the Moon's history, a cosmic clock, if you will. Research too has been enhanced by the bounty of space. The vacuum of space and the extreme conditions found there have allowed us to develop materials that can withstand incredible pressures and temperatures, materials that are now used in everything from cars to aircraft, from medical implants to protective gear. And let's not forget about the weather. The satellites that orbit our planet, collecting vital data and sending it back to us, are built from materials that have their origins in the stars. These space-borne components withstand the harsh conditions of outer space, ensuring that we can predict weather patterns, track hurricanes, and even understand climate change better. So next time you use your smartphone or watch the weather forecast, remember? A part of it came from outer space. The impact of these cosmic materials is woven into the fabric of our daily lives. They have not just changed the way we live, they've changed who we are. From the moon to Mars and beyond, our journey into space has brought back a trove of cosmic treasures. We've delved into the enigma of our universe, unearthing celestial marvels from lunar rocks to Martian soil. Our ventures into the cosmos have reaped invaluable rewards, from scientific advancements to tangible materials that permeate our everyday lives. Space exploration has allowed us to gaze into the mirror of the cosmos, reflecting our past and potentially illuminating our future. The moon has offered us a glimpse into the early solar system, while Mars and asteroids beyond have whispered hints of life's origins and the universe's vast potential. We've also seen how the fruits of space exploration have rippled through our societies, driving technological progress, inspiring generations, and even shaping our economies. But remember, this is just the beginning. Who knows what other materials and knowledge the cosmos holds for us? Only time and more space exploration will tell. Did we miss other materials that were found from space? Leave a comment below. If you learned something, like this video, and subscribe to our channel for more content.